Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm sure you guys have seen the thumbnail and also the title. So I'm just coming to you guys to show you this vegan skincare brand, okay? It's not I don't think this is a new company at all, but I'm just coming to show you guys some products that I was sent that I have also been using. If you guys follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, I have been posting about my skin lately. And if you like me and you didn't try everything under the sun and you just kind of like done with everything, I would say at least try out these products. My skin is super sensitive and it's been hard for me to use certain stuff. I watch a lot of tutorials, I watch a lot of videos of everyone else's skincare routines, and either the products don't work for me or they're too expensive or something like that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm over it. But when this company reached out to me, it was really odd because I had already had things in my cart to order from them. So I was kind of like, okay, they must have been reading my mind. Okay, so let me get straight into the products that I have, and I'm going to also be showing you guys what I'm using the products for, and I have really had some improvements in my skin. Okay, so let's start off with this Even Skin Healthy Glow. So I have it right here, but I will also post it here. Okay, remember, these products are all natural, they're vegan, so you don't have a lot to worry about. It's not like any extra added fillers, none of it. All right, like I said, I'm trying to post it here so you guys can see a better picture, but this is kind of what it looks like. Probably not going to focus. All right, so like I said, it's called Even Skin Healthy Glow. As you guys can see, I have been using this. I'll show you back. I have been using it. A little bit goes a long way. So what I do with this is, it's called body oil, and it does have sunflower oil in it, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, lemon oil, turmeric, rosehip oil. All that stuff is natural, and I like all this stuff anyway. Okay, so this little bit goes a long way. All right, but I do use this on my body after I get out of the shower, and I find that it moisturizes my skin so well. I do like products with turmeric because, if you guys don't know, turmeric is a lightening agent for the skin. So I like to apply this on my body along with sometimes I apply my favorite lotion with it, sometimes I won't, because this goes a long way, and it doesn't leave you like super greasy like a lot of other oils and sometimes lotions can do. Okay, and it also is, the smell is not real overbearing or anything. Barely smells like anything. Kind of like a little bit of lemon, but it's nothing that's like all crazy that you don't want to smell like, which I've run into that a lot with different products that I've had. I go to bed smelling crazy, and it's just, I don't like that. I want to smell good. Okay, so let's move on to the next product. The next product is avocado oil. No, it's a face serum. It has avocado oil in it, grapeseed oil, turmeric oil, and I'm gonna butcher it, so I'm not gonna say it. Okay, so it's gonna be right here. This is what it looks like. It's probably not gonna focus, but this is what it looks like, and as you guys see, little bit goes a long way. So whenever I'm using this on my face, it does come with the dropper, so let me show y'all. Okay, so this is what the dropper looks like, which is very convenient. And if you guys can see, if it focuses, it's just a little bit in here. That's all you need for your face, and probably not even that much. Couple drops, 2, 3, 4 drops. Okay, let's see. You really don't want that many drops on your face, especially if you have oily skin already, which I'm combination, so I don't really have to worry about that. But if you have oily skin, you only want to use a few drops of this, just a few. I like to use this at night. All right, right after I use this. Now this is their turmeric bar. Now this right here is a hot commodity. If you don't get nothing else, I would very much recommend this bar. All right, so I like to use the bar and then go in with the face serum, just a little bit, just a couple of drops. Okay, and then I use this, the Even Skin Healthy Glow. I use this on my body. Okay, but I use the rest, these on my face. All right, which the bar and everything else, it can be used on your body as well, because like I said, it's all natural. If you want to use this, I like to use the bar on my face and my neck. All right, because I don't want my face to look good and my neck to look dirty. So now going into a very important product, it's going to be the Healthy Glow Turmeric Body Scrub. Let me tell y'all something. If you don't get nothing else, first of all, I get it all, but if you don't get nothing else, I would definitely recommend the body scrub. I'm gonna recommend the body scrub because I love body scrubs anyways. Before I started really buying them, I was making them myself, but honey child, that was kind of like a mess. Okay, but anyways, this right here is what I recommend. Now this body scrub, I use it on my face as well, but body scrubs, face scrubs, whatever you want to call them, sometimes they're abrasive. They're literally abrasive. So when it comes to my face, I'm only using the scrub like once or twice a week on my face. Now with the body, my body can take a little bit more, so I could probably do this almost every night I shower. Okay, but I would say take it easy on the face and the neck, because you don't want to like tear your skin up. All right, but this is really good for like dark marks. Oh, let me show you guys. It smells like lemon. Okay, so this is what mine looks like, but it's really good for, if y'all can see, it's like, you know what I'm saying, it's really you, okay? But this is really good for dark marks. All right, this is really good for whenever you're doing a skincare routine. Okay, when I do my full skincare routine where I'm using everything, I like to incorporate this. Like I said, if I'm using this, it's only gonna be like once, maybe twice a week, not a lot, because you don't want to over exfoliate your face, because you can also cause problems as well, and your face can become super sensitive, and that's definitely not what we want. But like I said, all the products will be listed right here. There will be pictures of them. Also, links will be down below in the description box, as well as their Instagram page. Head over to their Instagram page. There are a lot of reviews, a lot of people who have tried their products. I wouldn't be coming to y'all if I didn't try it, okay, and I didn't recommend it. So I will recommend at least trying them out and kind of seeing, you know, see if you like them or not. Not saying that you have to get all of the products, okay, I'm not saying that, but just at least try one or a few. Once you fall in love with those, add the other ones to your cart, okay? But the soap and the body scrub, amazing. Freaking amazing. Like, I like all of them, but the soap and the body scrub has been my go-to in my skincare routine. All right, if I can find some pictures of my skin and how things are going, if I don't remember to add in this video, then make sure you head over to my my Instagram page, because I will be keeping you guys updated on these products on my Instagram page. Okay, I don't want this to be like super long or super ranty or anything like that. Let me know if you guys have heard of this company before. Would you be interested in trying this company? How do you feel about an all-natural vegan like skincare company? Does that kind of attract you? Because I know a lot of people are kind of going more towards like all-natural products in vegan, like vegan and things like that. That's how I am, because like I said, my skin is so, it's like no matter what I do, it's be all out of whack, okay? Because right now I got a few pimples and some stuff going on, and it's just a mess. So having these products, I haven't had as many problems, actually any problems, like I would have if I go to the store and buy all this other crap that has added things in it. All right, added things that aren't so natural. So yeah, any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I'll be sure to get back to y'all in my next video.